Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the lipid profile test. What actually the lipid profile means, what are the parameters we are going to check, and what are its normal values. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates and notifications. Coming to the topic, what is lipid profile? With the help of lipid profile, we are going to assess the cholesterol levels in our body. Cholesterol is actually a wax-like substance which is present in the cells. Normally, the food we intake as well as the liver which is present in our body, these both, the food as well as the liver, mainly helps in the synthesis of cholesterol. There are many functions of cholesterol. The main functions of cholesterol are synthesis of vitamin D, synthesis of hormones like cortical hormone, adrenal hormones, and also cholesterol helps in the digestion of food with the help of bile. There are different types of cholesterol in our body. Good cholesterol, which is also known as HDL, that is high density lipoprotein. Bad cholesterol, which is nothing but LDL, low density lipoproteins. And there are also different types of cholesterol like VLDL, very low density lipoproteins, triglycerides, etc. Why HDL is called as good cholesterol? The main reason behind it is this HDL helps in the transport of cholesterol from the cells into the liver, and from the liver this excess cholesterol enters the bile. Therefore, it helps in the removal of excess cholesterol in our body. Because of this, HDL is known as good cholesterol, whereas LDL is known as bad cholesterol. The reason is this LDL transports the cholesterol from the liver and it accumulates in the blood vessels. Because of this accumulation of the cholesterol in the blood vessels, there is chances of accumulation of plaque, and therefore it results in the occlusion of the blood vessels and it results in the stroke. Because of this, LDL is known as bad cholesterol. Next comes the topic about the lipid profile test. Indian Medical Association says that people who are less than 40 years should check their lipid profile for every 5 years, and people who are greater than 40 years and should check their lipid profile for every 1 to 2 years, and people who are overweight, that is people who are obese, and people suffering from high blood pressure, and people with diabetes and stroke, and with family history of myocardial infarction, that is the problem associated with the heart, these people should check their lipid profile every 1 to 2 years. And what are the safety measures we should take before having lipid profile test done? First one is lipid profile is a fasting blood test. It means we should fast at least 10 to 12 hours before checking this lipid profile. We should not eat anything for 10 to 12 hours. And we should also be very careful that we should not consume any oil food, because consumption of oil as well as the fat foods gives a false results, and it gives a false increase in lipid levels. So before make checking the lipid profile, make sure you avoid the oil food and the fat food uh, before checking the lipid profile. And lipid profile test is a simple blood test, and it will take a small blood sample from our body and it's sent to the lab where the lipid profiles are measured. And what are the parameters we'll check in the lipid profile? The parameter is total cholesterol levels. Total cholesterol is a combination of HDL and LDL. It is a combination of high density lipoproteins and low density lipoproteins. Normal values of total cholesterol is less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. If the values are greater than 200 to 239 milligrams per deciliter, we consider as borderline. If the values are greater than 240, it shows as high increase in total cholesterol levels. Coming to the triglycerides, triglycerides are a type of cholesterol, but they are not the cholesterols. And the triglycerides normal value is less than 150 milligrams per deciliter. Values ranging from 150 to 199 is considered as borderline, and 200 to 499 is considered as high, and values greater than 500 is considered as very high increase in triglycerides. Next comes the LDL, that is the bad cholesterol. It is very important parameter. The values less than 129 is considered as normal. Values between 130 to 159 is considered as borderline. Values ranging from 160 to 189 is considered as high LDH levels, and greater than 190 is considered as very high increase in LDH levels. And the last is HDL, that is nothing but the good cholesterol. The good cholesterol should be greater than 60 milligrams per deciliter. Based upon the values, the treatment varies. If a person has borderline levels, doctors recommend changing in the lifestyle, that is changing in the diet, exercise regularly, etc. And if the lipid profile levels are high and are very high, doctors will recommend statin drugs which reduces the cholesterol level. This is all about the lipid profile test. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.